As Megan King reports, the occasion allows us to remember our dark history and recognize the progress made.
Today, as we pause to commemorate Emancipation Day, we remember the past. We remember.
As August 1st marked Emancipation Day across Canada, Nova Scotians gathered at Halifax's Citadel Hill for a flag-raising and plaque unveiling to recognize the occasion.
In many ways, Nova Scotia is the birthplace of the African presence in Canada. So this very place where we celebrate Emancipation Day was in part built by slaves. So we have to acknowledge that. While we enjoy the surroundings and the history, let's never forget the lessons.
Emancipation Day offers a chance for acknowledgement that people of African heritage were enslaved in this country and in the city of Halifax. Commemorating the history is one way of better understanding the seeds of racism, which continues to inform the work that African Nova Scotians are doing to build a better future.
It is important that we preserve, respect, and remember the stories of our ancestors. The scars they have left behind, the strength they embody, the hope they provide, and the opportunity they bring for mutual understanding and respect.
A plaque unveiled at the event honors the Jamaican Maroons, formerly enslaved people who were forcibly transported to Nova Scotia in 1796.
The story of the Jamaican Maroons exemplifies the hardships of many black settlers and what we faced here in this province, and the mighty spirit of perseverance.
This will be a very public reminder of their history, of their fight for freedom, their history of resistance, their history of resilience.
A legacy that paved the way for future generations, including descendants like Vivica Steer, who is proud to share Maroon heritage through her dad and granddad.
When I came to Nova Scotia, I was aware of the Maroon connection here. So this is definitely a significant event for me.
We are from Jamaica originally, of course, and we didn't even know a lot of this history until we got here. So just to know that they were doing a plaque to honor Jamaican Maroons, I couldn't miss it. This is history in the making. I had to be here.
Megan King, Global News, Halifax.